Hello guys, good evening. Today I am here with the topic use of could have. See, we divided this whole term could have into two words. There are two words could and have. So first we understand have. What is have? We already read about have. हम पढ़ चुके हैं have के बारे में. And have is used for चुकना. मतलब have is used for work done. Okay, have is used for work done. We have already seen, हमने पहले ही देख लिया है. Okay, and we use verbs third form with have. Hope you remember. Now what is could? Could is second form of can. Second form, we already read about second form. We use second form for past time. No? Now what is can? Can means we have the ability to do something. When we have the ability to do something or we have not the ability to do something. जब हमारे पास किसी चीज़ को करने की क्षमता होती है और हम वो काम कर सकते हैं, उस चीज को करने के लिए हम कर सकते. बाय एग्जाम्पल यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. सो आई एम डायरेक्टली कम टू द एग्जाम्पल. आई विल डायरेक्टली गिव यू द एग्जाम्पल. मैं आपको डायरेक्टली एग्जाम्पल ही दूंगी. सी, आई कैन डू इट. मैं कर सकती हूँ. आई यूजली से टू इट माई सेल्फ. और यू कैन डू इट. तुम कर सकते हो. मैं अपने आप से बोलती हूँ ये यूजली नॉर्मली कि आई कैन डू इट. मैं कर सकती हूँ. सो कैन सेकेंड फॉर्म्स. कैन्स सेकेंड फॉर्म इज कुड. ओके, नाउ वेयर वी यूज कुड हैव. Because could have, we understand this topic, this term could have both together. Okay, so where we use could have, we use could have for the past time. And second use is where we hypothetically, if we want to say it or we understand it better, we can say we use could have for that things which was or was not happened in the past. Or hypothetically, or we can say that we use could have for something is there which we didn't do it, जो हमने नहीं किया, but we had the ability, because we are talking about past, so we had the ability to do it. लेकिन हमें उसको करने की क्षमता थी. अब यहाँ पे थी क्या बता रहा है? had बता रहा है. We had the ability. Okay. So let's understand easily with the help of examples. First example is she could have eaten corn cobs because there were 2 corn cobs with us. One is for me and one is for her. वो भुट्टा खा सकती थी. corn cob means होता है भुट्टा. वो भुट्टा खा सकती थी बट उन्होंने नहीं खाया क्योंकि हमारे पास 2 कॉर्न कॉब थे. ओके, वाई. अब इसी का क्वेश्चन बनाना है. वाई कुडंट हैव शी, वाई शी कुड नॉट हैव ईटन, couldn't have eaten corn cob. उन्होंने भुट्टा क्यों नहीं खाया. ओके. नाउ couldn't have. Where we use couldn't have. We use couldn't have there where we had the ability. We had the ability but we are unable to do it. हम उसको कर सकते थे लेकिन हम उसको करने में अक्षम थे. तब हम यूज करेंगे could not have का. couldn't have या could not have. Okay. See, examples of couldn't have is I arrived here or reached here any time. I could have reached here but there was so much traffic. मैं यहाँ पे कभी भी पहुंच सकता था लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक था. सो आई couldn't reach here on time because of so much traffic. Okay. Now more examples. You could have bought cheaper jacket. Why couldn't you have bought cheaper jacket? तुमने सस्ती जैकेट क्यों नहीं ली? तुम सस्ती जैकेट ले सकते थे. Could you have bought cheaper jacket? क्या cheaper jacket ले सकते थे? Could she eat? Could she have eaten corn cob? क्या वो corn cob नहीं खा सकती थी? Like that we can make. I could have got good marks if I studied harder or smartly. मुझे अच्छे मार्क्स मिल सकते थे यदि मैं मेहनत करती तो या स्मार्टली पढ़ती तो. Could I have got good marks? क्या मुझे अच्छे मार्क्स मिल सकते थे? More examples like that we can make or you can make. Okay, thank you. In this video, this much only. Hope you like this video and understand this video and this topic. Thank you so much. Take care.